Hey everyone, it's Sara from Edcafe, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create and use prompt snippets. So every prompt that you create takes some thought and care, and with these prompt snippets, you're able to save all those prompts as a template. That way you can reuse them again and again. This makes it easier to build on your best ideas and make creating content even quicker. So let me show you how to create one of these prompt snippets in our lesson plan feature. So here you'll be able to see the snippets icon. So in any of Edcafe's tools, when you see this icon, you can go ahead and create a new snippet. That way you can access it at any time. So then we can go ahead and add in our information. So we are going to add in a snippet for learning styles. So then that way, every time we want to address these different learning styles in our lesson plan, it's really easy to just add that into our additional instructions. So once we click create, you'll be able to see the snippets that you've created right here. In addition, anytime you go ahead and create a new file, you'll be able to see all those snippets and you can easily manage and adjust them. So you can edit those snippets to adjust after you've kind of made tweaks after using them again and again, or you can go ahead and delete to stay organized if that snippet is no longer needed. These prompt snippets make sure that your refined instructions are never lost. Every idea can become a reusable template, always ready to support your lesson prep, assessment, and more.